Saving seekers, we see you, eyeing up those energy-efficient air source heat pumps and maybe thinking they're too much money. But did you know that if you meet the eligibility criteria, it's now easier than ever to apply for a £7,500 bus grant towards the cost? Not that sort of bus. A £7,500 boiler upgrade scheme, or bus grant, from the government. So, how much difference would a bus grant really make to the cost of an air source heat pump? Well, if you were going to fit a new A-rated gas boiler to your property, you'd be looking at a cost of around £3,700, whereas a standard air source heat pump installation will cost upwards of £11,000, until you deduct the £7,500 bus grant from that figure. All of a sudden, the price isn't so big. And if you're eligible for a grant, there are absolutely no upfront costs. Use an MCS certified installer like E.ON Next, and we'll deduct the £7,500 from your bill automatically. Now, let's talk about eligibility. You're eligible for a bus grant if you own the relevant property, whether you live there or you're a landlord. It's in England or Wales, and it isn't a new build, though in some cases a new self-built property will qualify for a bus grant. What about EPC certificates? Well, you used to need an Energy Performance Certificate, or EPC, that confirmed you had cavity wall and adequate loft insulation. But now, all you need is an EPC certificate that's less than 10 years old. There are no minimum insulation requirements. Having said that, it's really important to understand that heat pumps perform best in well-insulated properties. So, we would always recommend that if you're getting a heat pump, it's wise to upgrade your home's insulation levels. What about the application process? Well, we've got good news about that too. When you choose E.ON Next to install your heat pump, we take care of everything, from site surveys and installation to completing your bus grant application. You don't even have to pay VAT. As you can see, the costs and the barriers to getting an air source heat pump are now much lower than you may have thought. So, if you're thinking about a heat pump for your property, talk to us at E.ON Next today. We can also offer you a dedicated heat pump tariff called Next Pumped that could help to reduce your energy bills. Find out more about bus grants today at eonnext.com/air source heat pumps/buy.